Great border fires. Now the X600 has been replaced after the DC motor failure, and that's the repair part with the control board with a different models, 400 and 600 motors. 400 and 600 motors are different. Maybe it's the RPM's difference. I first used the 400 motors and wondering that is the same size, and it results in a very undesirable. Actually, the control board is out of control. So 600 must use the 600 motors, and this is the control board that has been replaced. Probably is still fine. It's still working. So I need to open it up, and I don't want. It's a very painful process to open up 600s. So probably the control board take RPM into consideration, I think, and you have to use the appropriate motor in order to repair 600s. And so have fun, friends.